I wanted a Twitter thread. Anybody else know what a Twitter thread is? Okay, cool. The young guy does. I had to learn this, but I love it. I keep seeing it for Chat GPT. I really do. That's where someone makes a post. It has to be 260 characters or less. And then but what they're posting, it's almost like a carousel on Instagram. There's 6 or 7 things they want to share. Rather than them just replying to it and you could get buried if someone beats you, it just does it in a systematic way where someone can read the tweet, they go to the second tweet, third tweet, fourth tweet, however long you want to have it. And you're able to write more and convey more. But that's exactly it. I'd never done one. I'd still be thinking about ideas 4 days later if I had to go do it. So I said a Twitter thread on the value of going solar. Do include hashtags. I learned this. Otherwise, I have to go research it myself. So I stole this word for word. I actually put it on Facebook as well. I thought it was fire. Tweet number 1, considering going solar, ? Sun emoji. Here is a thread on the incredible value of switching to solar energy for your home or business. I think I did take out business because we don't do commercial yet. Let's dive in with 2 hashtags. Thread number 2, and I had to go Google how to do it because I was replying to myself. How embarrassing is that? But someone walked me through it like a Jake, where you add to instead of tweet. It's the second thread, right? So I did that. I went right through. Guys, in 20 seconds, I had a 9-post thread on Twitter. Blew my freaking mind. Now I'm going to go do this thing every day. Every day I can change the topic. I can make it on sustainable energy. I can make it on the value of going solar. Whatever you want to do. I want to make sure you guys saw the hashtag. Saw the prompt. Create a Twitter thread on the value of going solar. Do include hashtags.